by people who would go to church but leave me in a street. With no parents of my own, I never had a home, and a 15-year-old girl has got to eat. She found me outside one sunny morning, begging money from a man I didn't know. She took me in and wiped away my childhood. This woman of the streets, this lady Rose, this bed of roses that I lay on, where I was taught to love a man. This bed of roses where I'm living is the only kind of life I understand. She was a handsome woman, just 35, who was spoken to and tell by every few. She managed the late evening business like most of them wish they could do. And I've learned all the things that a girl should know from a woman not approved of, I suppose. She died knowing someone really loved her. Of night bramble bush I picked a rose. This bed of roses that I lay